This reciprocating saw's max cutting depth is 4/2 inches, and you can do a lot of cutting jobs under this depth. Ideal for cutting precise holes into softer building materials, such as plasterboard and wood. When installing pipework and electrical sockets, a pressure-sensitive trigger switch allows you to adjust the speed of the cut. Electronic speed control enables sensitive adjustment for the particular material, thickness, and application. Slim soft handle for better and more comfortable operation. For one-handed operation as well, designed to cut through a variety of materials, such as wood, plywood, plasterboard, PVC and tree branch, etc. This compact reciprocating saw features an electronic speed control that allows variable speed with smooth acceleration from 0 to max 3000 SPM. Conveniently change your saw blades without the need for any tools, with its quick change chuck. The Galax Pro reciprocating saw allows you to safely install and remove your blades instantly. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Lock-on switch. The lock-on bottom can lock the saw at maximum speed to free up your hand for greater control. It allows the reciprocating saw to continuously and efficiently work. Number 2. Rear motor. Keep the machine balance, and the ergonomic grip handle fits your hands perfectly. Number 3. 5A pure copper motor. With its powerful 5 amps high-performance motor, regardless of whether you want to cut slants to lengths, saw branches, plastic or metal pies, and plunge cutting, the Galax Pro Mini reciprocating saw gets the job done quickly. Number 4. Ultra-compact size and comfort. This reciprocating saw is intuitive and easy to guide due to the optimal ratio of weight and size. It allows easy cutting in challenging positions, especially overhead for less fatigue with a lightweight design. Soft grip for improved handling and manageability. Number 5. Quick blade change chuck and lock the speed. The tool-less blade change system allows for quick and easy switches between blades. One-piece blade for wood is also included. The Galax Pro reciprocating saw has a stroke length of 1/2 inches. You can also choose the locking switch to maintain a continuous maximum speed run. Number 6. Electronic stroke speed control. Electronic speed trigger allows the user to vary the stroke rate for a continuously variable speed from 0 to 3000 strokes per minute. Start the reciprocating saw gently and increase the speed stroke rate by simply increasing the pressure on the trigger. A lower stroke rate is necessary for cutting some materials such as plastic and metal. Number 7. What you get? Reciprocating saw. One wood saw blade, one user manual, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Can this cut tree roots from a stump? Answer. The provided blade's max. The cutting capacity is 4/2 inches. If the tree roots are bigger than 4/2 inches, then the answer is no. Question number 2. How many blades come with the saw? Answer. Only one piece 4/2 inches wood saw blade. Question number 3. Does the handle swivel? Answer. Nope, this saw's handle cannot swivel. The compact size and ergonomic handle fit your hand very well. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.